Hello students, welcome to Political Science Odia YouTube channel. I hope you all are well by the grace of blessing of Lord Jagannath. Students, in the previous class, we studied the introduction, meaning and definition of democracy. So students, in today's class, we will study the development of democracy. Let's start the class without further delay. We will study development of democracy. So, students, in the earlier days, democracy was mainly considered as a political principle or ideology. Over time, it expanded to include social, economic, and ethical aspects. Student, you all are known very well. Democracy did not develop in one day. It grew slowly over many centuries. So, the word democracy, which was coined in the 5th century BC, so, the word democracy was first used in ancient Greece, and it means democracy means rule by the people, rule by the people. And democracy further developed during the Glorious Revolution in England in 17th century. So students in 1688, during the Glorious Revolution, people fought to limit the king's power, and Glorious Revolution helped democracy grow stronger. And next one is in the 18th century, the American Declaration of Independence in 1776. The American Declaration of Independence promoted freedom, equality, and people's right. Freedom, equality, and people's right. And another is the French Revolution 1789 greatly promoted the principles, ideals, and ideas of democracy. So the French Revolution promoted liberty, equality, and fraternity. Students in the 19th century, the new ideas like socialist mean socialism, communist mean communism taught that all people should be treated equally and should get fair opportunities. So students, what is socialism or socialist or what is communism or communist? Let's discuss. So students, socialism means a political and economic system that aims to provide equality and social justice by reducing economic inequalities and promoting public welfare. So, students, socialism means a political and economic system that aims to provide equality and social justice by reducing economic inequalities and promoting public welfare. And communism means a political and economic system, a political and economic system in in which property and resource are owned collectively aiming for a classless and equal society. So, students, communism means a political and economic system in which property and resources are owned collectively, aiming for a classless and equal society. Next one is in 20th century, many countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America free from foreign rules mean free from imperialism and colonialism. After gaining independence, they became sovereign nation and received equal status among their countries. And next one is 21st century globalization and liberalization increased communication, trade, cooperation among countries. These changes encourage democratic values such as freedom, equality, and people's participation in government. So, students, therefore, all these developments help democracy spread and grow throughout the world. Student, then we come to the six main pillars of democracy. First one is law, second is freedom, third is equality, fourth is rights, fifth is justice, and sixth is fraternity. Let us discuss the main pillars of democracy. First one is law. So, students, law means everyone is equal before the law. Everyone everyone is equal before the law. No person, including leaders or government officials, is above the law. So, students, law means rule of law, and everyone is equal before the law. No person, including leaders and government officials, is above the law. Second one is freedom. Freedom in the sense freedom to think, freedom to think, speak, express opinions, express opinions, practice religion, and live their lives without unnecessary restrictions. And third one is equality. So, equality means all citizens are treated equally and get equal opportunities regardless of caste, religion, gender, race, or economic status. So, all citizens are treated equally and get equal opportunities regardless caste, religion, gender, race, etc. Fourth one is rights. Right means citizens enjoy fundamental rights such as right to education, right to education, freedom of speech, and protection from discrimination. Protection from discrimination. And fifth one is justice. Justice ensures fairness in society. It includes social justice, economic justice, and political justice. This social, economic, and political justice for all citizens. And last one is fraternity. Fraternity means brotherhood. And fraternity means a spirit of unity, mutual respect, and cooperation among all citizens, helping maintaining national harmony. A student, then we come to the uh, basic reality of democracy or different manifestation or different forms like social democracy, economic democracy, political democracy, industrial democracy. Let's discuss. First one is social democracy. Social democracy. So, social democracy promotes social equality and welfare for all. Means social democracy promotes social equality and welfare for all. Next one is economic democracy. Economic democracy ensures fair distribution of economic opportunities and resource. And next one is political democracy. Political democracy. Political democracy gives citizens the right to vote, the right to vote and participate in government and choose their representatives and choose their representatives. And next one is industrial democracy. Industrial democracy. So students, industrial democracy encourages workers workers participation in decisions making within industry and workplace. So students, in today's class we studied development of democracy, development of democracy. Students, if anyone has any doubts in today's class, then please comment in the comment section and I will clear it in the next class. Also comment on how today's class was. So students, thank you very much.